Welcome back to another video. I'm going to make um I'm gonna make festival. This is flour, cornmeal, sugar, and baking powder. I already add everything in it. So I'm gonna show you guys how I see my finger them is clean. See my hand is clean and everything. So I'm gonna show you guys. Come along with me, me show you how me make my festival. I mix up everything first. The baking powder, everything already in it. And a little bit of salt. Some water in. This is how I make my dumpling. Need flour. Need flour. This is the way. Festival is still part of dumpling. Pour some more water in. More water. Water, that's perfect. Just a perfect amount of water. Take a look and see. Looking good. I'm gonna have it sit for a little bit. Then I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes. I'm gonna cook ackee and saltfish. This is the oil. The pot is already hot. I pour some oil in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some fresh garlic. See, it's cut up already. I like to fry the garlic first. This is some scallion. See, ackee and saltfish for breakfast. Take a look at the ackee. This is the saltfish right here. And I'm gonna make some fried breadfruit, but the peg them is not whole. That's the way I get them from Jamaica. So this is like a breakfast brunch. That's getting late. Not so much a breakfast, but it's gonna be like a brunch because everything late already. So I'm gonna have this make it get a little bit brown because I like when a little bit brown, not too dark, but like when you can find the oil first. This part over here gonna be for the festival. I'm gonna make festival. You see the onion right here. Adding some onion and tomato. See, I'm gonna adding the saltfish. It's the saltfish. the bone. Let's just turn it up. Then I add in a little bit of comfort. I don't measure, I just judge because I've been cooking a long time, so I kind of have an idea how much to put in. A little bit of garlic powder. See, garlic powder. Show you before, see, complete season. And a little bit of black pepper. See, black pepper. Not a lot. I don't put no hot pepper in it because when you're cooking for children, you don't want to put too much pepper. You can add pepper after in most of my cooking. Then I'm going to add the ackee. See the ackee here? Take a look. I'm going to tell you how I prepare my ackee. When I clean my ackee up, I pre-cook the ackee. I don't fully cook it. I cook it for like about 3 minutes the most. Let it sit in the water for maybe another few minutes. Then I strain it off. You see what the ackee look like. So as I was saying before, I don't fully cook my ackee. I just cook it like for a few minutes. Then I just have it sit. Then I strain the water out. Then now, when I cook it this way, the peg them is perfect. Look at it. Then I'm gonna have it, let it sit and finish cook. I'm gonna show you the way I make my festival. This is the flour right here, the dough. So what I did, I rolled it up like that. Then I do like this. I make some bigger than some. See, that's the dough. Then I do this. Then I do this. See, I like to kind of flat them or make them a little big. Then I'll show you another one. I make some bigger than some. Roll, and I like this. I make my own thing, flour and cornmeal and a little bit of baking powder and a little bit of sugar, little pinch of salt. I don't buy the dough taro because to me just make my own. See, I dot a little flour in this just to keep them that they don't stick. Let me make another one. This video not gonna be a long video, so see, so I make it like this. Make a ball. And I roll it like this. Like this. Some more. See? Can I flatten it out? Me soon come back. When I start putting the festival in the pot, see? Put them on a low fry. I'm not gonna put them on a high fry. Don't want them to burn. Let it take your time and fry. I'm going to turn them. This is what they look like. I have it on a low heat, not too high, because I want them to do, you know, if fry done good. Over here is the ackee. Take a look at the ackee. The ackee. Looking yummy. It's cooking. It's almost ready. Take a look. The ackee is finished. So I'm gonna turn it off. See, the festival lemon is still frying. I'm going to start take out the one that brown a little bit more. Place them over here. See? Looking good. They're probably not that smooth, but guess what? I make them. And I feel comfortable making them more than buy the flour out the road what I make. I'm gonna put in the last set to them here. One by one. Me soon come back. I'm gonna add in some breadfruit. Them is not whole at the peg, them is, but I'm gonna still use them. I think these breadfruit were ripe. See, and some plantain. You have a slice it like this. Like this. This is a finishing touch. This is what my breakfast look like. Take a look. Isn't that looking good? This make a hungry man run. You come to the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe. Thank you for watching.